Hey there, folks. If you're tired of the hassle of writing checks or dealing with bank transfers for your rent, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to pay rent with Moneygram, a quick, reliable way to send money securely. Whether you're a renter on the go or just looking for a modern payment option, this guide will make the process a breeze. Let's jump right in. First things first, why use Moneygram? It's fast, widely accepted, and perfect for those who don't want to share bank details directly. Plus, it's available at thousands of locations worldwide or through their easy-to-use app. To get started, you'll need a Moneygram account. If you don't have one, download the app from your phone store or visit their website and sign up quickly. It only takes a minute or two. Step 1. Log into your Moneygram account and select the Send Money option. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you need to pay for your rent. Make sure to double-check this figure with your lease or landlord to avoid any surprises. Next, add the recipient's details. This includes their name, address, and possibly a reference number if your landlord requires it. Moneygram makes this straightforward with drop-down menus and autofill features. Now, for step 2. Choose your payment method. You can link a bank account, debit card, or even use cash if you're at a Moneygram agent location. Once selected, review the transaction fees. They vary based on the amount and your location, so keep an eye on that to budget accordingly. After confirming everything, hit send. You'll get a confirmation receipt via email or in the app, which is great for your records. A quick tip. Always verify with your landlord that they accept Moneygram payments beforehand to prevent any delays. Also, if you're paying internationally, check exchange rates and additional fees. It's that simple. By using Moneygram, you're not only making your life easier but also ensuring your payment is tracked and secure. Wrapping this up, paying rent with Moneygram can save you time and reduce stress. Give it a try next month and see the difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and take care.